Are you ready to be letter heroes? Great, let's get started. Today's letter is the letter S. Can you say S? This is an uppercase S, and this is a lowercase s. Let's say it together. Uppercase S, lowercase s. I'm going to mix them up. Let's see if I can trick you. Lowercase s, uppercase s. One more time. Uppercase s, lowercase s. Great work. The sound that S makes is the sound S. To make that sound, my teeth come together, my tongue goes up and touches my teeth just a little bit, and I blow out some air, like this. S. Can you make that sound? S. Awesome job. Let's look at some things that start with the S sound. The first thing I have is soap. Can you say soap? Soap begins with the S sound. The next thing I have is a special number. This number is 6. Can you say 6? 6 begins with the S sound. Now I have something called scissors. You've probably used scissors before. Scissors starts with the S sound. Let's say it together. Scissors. Nice job. And the last thing I have is an animal that starts with the S sound. This is a snake. Can you say snake? That's right. Snake begins with S. Nice job, letter heroes. Now, friends, it's time to search for the letter S. The letter S is going to be found in my sentence. Let's read the sentence together. When I stepped outside, it started to storm. Did you see any uppercase or lowercase s's? I did too. I'm going to use my special magnifying glass. When I come to a letter S, I want you to say stop. Stop starts with S too. Let's get started. The first word is when. Is there an S there? No. I. No S in that word. Stepped. I heard you say stop. That's right. Stepped begins with a letter S. Let's highlight the lowercase s that we see in the beginning of stepped. Stepped. Great. Let's keep searching. The next word is outside. You said stop again. There's no S at the beginning, but there is a lowercase s in the middle of outside. Do you hear it in that word? Let's say it. Outside. There's the lowercase s. I'll highlight it. Let's keep searching. It. No S there. Started. I see an S. Do you? Started begins with a lowercase s. Let's highlight it. Okay, friends, help me keep searching. 2. No S there. Storm. There's another lowercase s. Storm begins with a lowercase s. Let's highlight it. Nice work, letter heroes. Let's count how many S's we found in our sentence today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice work. Letter heroes, do you have something to write on and something to write with? Because it's time to practice writing uppercase and lowercase s. This is an uppercase S. To make an uppercase S, we start at the top, big curve forward, and then big curve back. Let's practice skywriting it. Ready? Start at the top, Big curve forward, big curve back. Great. One more time. Start at the top. Big curve forward, big curve back. Nice job. Watch me write it on our paper today. Start at the top. Big curve forward, big curve back. There's an uppercase S. Let's do another one. Start at the top. Big curve forward, big curve back. That's an uppercase S. Now let's try lowercase s. Uppercase S and lowercase s look similar. Lowercase s is just smaller. Smaller also starts with S. This time, to make a lowercase s, we start in the middle and we do little curve forward, little curve back. Let's skywrite it. Ready? Little curve forward, little curve back. One more time. Little curve forward, little curve back. Nice work. Let's practice writing lowercase s. Ready? Start in the middle. Little curve forward, little curve back. Make sure you touch the dotted line and the bottom line. Let's do one more. Start in the middle. Little curve forward, little curve back. Lowercase s. Great work, letter heroes, practicing uppercase S and lowercase s.
This program is made possible in part by the Michigan Department of Education, the State of Michigan, and the W.K. Kellogg Foundation. Additional support by, and by viewers like you. Thank you.